Greetings and welcome back to the channel. Andrew May here, investment advisor and certified financial planner professional, bringing you more real-world strategies designed to assist you in navigating your personal financial life. Do you work with a financial advisor? If so, then good for you. Does that advisor make investment recommendations and then help you implement those recommendations in your account? Of course they do. That's part of their job description. Have you ever wondered how your advisor manages their own investment accounts? What strategies they employ or what securities they own? Have you ever asked them? Should you ask them? Well, stay tuned and watch today's video because I'm going to be addressing these important questions. But before we jump into the content, if learning more about personal finance and investing is something that you're interested in, then be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you are working with a financial advisor or are considering working with one and they will be managing investments on your behalf, then yes, you have the right to ask that advisor how they manage the investments in their own personal accounts, what strategies they employ, and what securities they own. Asking this question may admittedly take some courage, but as a client or prospective client, you have a right to know the answer. Interestingly, I do not recall ever having a client or a prospective client ask me these questions, but I truly wish they would because then it would give me the opportunity to tell them that the way that I manage money in my client accounts is the same way that I manage money in my own personal investment accounts. It's a strategy with its foundation in strategic asset allocation, where portfolios are created using low-cost passively managed funds and exchange-traded funds. It employs a buy, hold, and rebalance approach and is focused on long-term investing. What may differ would be our portfolio's asset allocation, which is unique to each investor's goals and risk tolerance. I believe that if an investment strategy is good enough for my clients, then it's good enough for me, and vice versa. As an example, when I went to the Subaru dealership to pick out a car, I was happy to find out that the salesperson also drove a Subaru, as I would have expected. I would have been very surprised to find out that they drove a Toyota or a Lexus or some other brand. I got the Crosstrek, by the way. And when you are working with an advisor or are considering working with one, I believe that it's equally important that they are applying the same investment strategies to their personal accounts that they're recommending to you. And granted, while there may be some unique client situations that call for a different approach, in general, an advisor should be eating their own cooking, so to speak, and utilizing the same strategies on their behalf that they're recommending to you. Early in my career, I worked for an equity research firm where the owner of the firm also managed a hedge fund. Prospective investors would come into the firm to meet with the manager to discuss investing in his fund, but they would often ask how much of his own wealth does he have invested in the fund. This is a question that's commonly asked by sophisticated investors, and you can learn to ask it too. If you pose these questions to an advisor and they provide you with a clear and straightforward answer and you feel that your interests are aligned, then that's terrific. But if they seem taken aback by the questions or provide you with an ambiguous answer, not directly answering the questions to your satisfaction, then it may be in your best interest to look elsewhere for help. If you found today's video informative, then be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you know of anyone else who may benefit from the contents of this video, please consider doing that person a favor and sharing the video with them. Until next time, I'm Andrew May, investment advisor and certified financial planner professional, and I believe that by asking an advisor how they manage their own wealth, you will be better informed to do this.